The most common way to do the illumination is with spots from below, and this has a nice effect because you will have some light reflections on the ceiling too. So one way is to put these spots on the cover at the bottom tank, or what you also can do is you can have them embedded in the bottom tank, and again here you can see some light reflections on the top. Here is another example where they are sitting on the cover and then nicely illuminating the surface where the water flows down. What I would also recommend is a additional light source from above, also like 10 centimeters distance to the surface. So if you cannot do the illumination from below, then I would do the illumination from above, and the best would be to do both. So you would have a illumination with spots at the bottom tank and at the top too. What I would not recommend is to put the spots below water, because as you can see in this example here, this is reducing the power of the light drastically, and then you will just have a very small area of the water wall illuminated. So it's always better to have these spots sitting above the water if you really want to get the most effect of your water wall. What you also can do is you can use some LED light at the bottom, LED stripes, or at the top, as you can see here. But these lights actually, they are not so powerful, and it means that you don't illuminate so much the water. It's more like a decoration light. But at night these LEDs can bring a very strong effect, as you can see here. And of course, if you use some different colors, the effect is also going to be pretty nice. But at the end, such LED stripes are rather a decoration light than a real illumination of the water. What you also can do is you can put LED stripes at the sides, as you can see here, which adds a nice effect, but it doesn't really illuminate the water waves so much. So at the end, the best thing is to have the powerful spots at the bottom, and then also maybe add some spots at the top. And if you want to do it a more decent way, and if you want to use colors, then you can use LED stripes at the bottom, or at the bottom and at the top, or even if you want from all four sides.